let's take a look at what we have right now in Tyler with our Skyview camera, brought to you by Flooring Liquidators. We are seeing clear or cloudy skies starting to increase across the area. We started out clear about an hour ago, but clouds are starting to move on in. 64 degrees, the temperature, a south wind at 7 miles per hour, and the dew point's at 61. Because of the clear skies that we've seen this past night, temperatures are a little bit cooler than this time yesterday, but overall it's another warm and humid start to our day today. And it's going to be another warm and humid day overall, with high temperatures into the lower 80s this afternoon, with a few mid-80s possible out in deep East Texas. Big difference today is winds will be up a little bit out of the south at 15 miles per hour, gusting to 25 miles per hour at times. For the day on Friday, we will see a risk of a few strong to severe thunderstorms. Damaging wind gusts and large hail are going to be the main threats, but tornadoes will be a possibility as well. So make sure to stay weather aware, especially between about 10 a.m. and 10 p.m. for the day on Friday. That time may get narrowed down as we get more data in here over the next day and a half or so, but just be on the lookout for a few strong to severe thunderstorms. Widespread severe weather is not expected at this time because we do have one big limiting factor here. Let's take a look at what we have with our upper level winds across the area heading into Thursday afternoon. Notice the separation between the warmer air indicated by the oranges and the yellows, with the cooler air in our northwestern most areas. Again, that temperature difference and the winds out of the southwest do help bring in a lot of moisture and instability, not only at the surface, which we typically talk about, but also in the upper levels of the atmosphere. Now, the separation between the warm and the cold air is the upper level support that is associated with these storm systems that move on through. And notice the sharpest temperature differences, temperature changes are the farther north you go across the country. This is right here, this upper level low that's developing, that's the upper level support. And notice as we head throughout the day on Friday that upper level support is gradually lifting northward and away from our area. And when you have the lack of upper level support, sometimes these storms, they try to develop, but they may struggle to maintain strength. But closer to the upper level support, we have a greater threat for severe weather, and that's exactly what's highlighted here from the Storm Prediction Center. You can see that enhanced risk level 3 up by Omaha and Kansas City, closer to the upper level support. Meanwhile, down in deep East Texas, we are seeing all the way down to a marginal level 1 out of 5 risk, but our northernmost areas are under a level 2, which means a few strong to severe thunderstorms are possible, so make sure to stay weather aware for the day on Friday. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast. Storm chances continue into the weekend and even into the start of next week as well. We could see another round of strong to severe thunderstorms on Sunday as high temperatures stay in the 80s. For deep East Texas, it's more of the same. Look for those storm chances to return late Friday. Saturday should be dry for the most part, but severe weather will be possible on Sunday, and then we'll see some scattered storms into Monday and Tuesday. So, Tori, we are now at the peak of spring severe weather season, and just like that, we've got multiple chances of severe weather. The good news is here, in terms of seeing any severe weather outbreaks, that just does not look like it's going to happen here in East Texas.
Well,